welcome to Yaya TV. Today I have a new video. Today I have new toys.
Today we will be opening the microwave set. It has 11 pieces. As you can see, there's a microwave. So the microwave comes with a hot dog, croissant, comes with a hamburger,
And chicken.
and chicken in the oven. So oven, microwave. So let's start opening it up. As you can see in the microwave, there's also a chicken. We can open it.
Wow, open it, Rita.
And there's the chicken.
And we take this out.
We can, there's also buttons over here.
Why you did at the bottom? To break it.
There we go, you can have a close look.
Awesome! So this is the chicken. So who's gonna eat this chicken? It's gonna be me for sure.
We're going to cook the food first.
Okay, so as you can see, there's also buttons on the side. So they show the food that we have. So here's a hot dog. If we press it,
Hot dog!
on the top it says 1 minute. So it's gonna heat up for 1 minute. So let's put in the hot dog.
Okay, Farida's gonna cook for me this hot dog. I'm gonna eat it right away.
And after it's gonna be my turn to cook.
No, it's gonna be my turn, Yaya. No, it's gonna be my turn. Yeah, yes, yes, yes.
Then it's gonna be my turn. I'm going to cook the chicken after mommy.
Okay, so when the
Oh, is it ready? So I'm gonna eat it. Yay! I'm gonna eat it now. It's ready for mommy. Mommy's turn. Yay! I'm gonna eat this hot dog. Yay!
So mommy, what do you want to cook?
So what is the next? Who's gonna cook? Whose turn?
Mommy.
Yes, it's mommy's turn.
So mommy, what food are you going to cook? Hamburgers?
Okay, you know what? I like croissant. So why don't we eat the croissant?
Mommy.
You gonna help me, Yaya?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try it.
What?
Just yes. So show me, Yaya. How are you gonna do it?
there we go. So this is going to heat up for a minute.
For a minute? Oh my goodness.
Okay. Hey, it
Oh.
wasn't done. It's not done cooking. Okay. Now,
Try again, Yaya. Try again.
there we go. So
Then after when mommy's turn is done, I'm going to do the chicken.
Oh my goodness.
And
I'm gonna eat all that food alone. I'm not gonna share it with anybody.
You're going to be fat.
I'm gonna be fat. I'm fat already, Yaya. I'm fat
no, you
already.
growed up.
So when we put the food in the microwave, for example, a hamburger or a croissant,
Or
at the-
hot dogs or chicken.
yeah, so if we put it in, at the end there's kind of a beeping sound, so we know when it's kind of done. So for example, we're gonna put the chicken in.
No, it's going to be my turn. Put the chicken. So let's put the croissant in.
Hey, no, I don't want croissant, I want chicken.
No! Hot dog.
Okay,
Hamburger.
let's put the hamburger in. Oh no!
That's okay.
Here, let's put it again.
Pretend we put it in.
Okay, wait, okay, I can do this.
I chose the microwave.
Okay, open the microwave.
But mommy's so hungry.
Yes, I'm hungry, Yaya.
It's just cooking so fast.
We're just cooking up.
The burger is burning.
Brr.
Oh my god.
No!
Oh.
Mommy, pretend you ate it, okay? Pretend it's in your tummy. We don't have a birthday anymore.
Okay, how about the chicken?
Can it be my turn to do that?
Hey, you already had a turn.
I didn't have a turn.
Okay. We're going to see if we can put everything in the microwave. So let's put everything in it. I don't know if I can do this.
I can.
Okay, there you go. Close it up, close it up. Okay, I think we're gonna have to do it for a lot. Okay, there you go.
It's turning so.
It's not even cooking.
And Mommy's gonna be so hungry and she's gonna eat it all.
I can see the croissant moving a little bit. That's all I see.
Me too. I didn't see the whole food moving. So, is it done yet? It's burning! It's burning!
Okay guys, so we're going to put the chicken in first, and then after the hot dog, and after
The burger, then the croissant.
yeah, so let's put the chicken in. There we go. We're going to click chicken. Start.
Mommy, Daddy shark, do do do. Daddy shark.
Okay, it is ready. It looks like it's also clean. Okay, let's put in the hot dog. I want it to explode. Let's click hot dog. And there we go. There we go. Now let's put the food that we already did. Okay, we already did roast beef. We gotta do the burger because we basically didn't do anything with it. Okay. There we go. It's done. And it looks the same.
Can I have a turn now?
You want to have a turn?
No. Then,
Here,
now
put
it's
the-
Mommy's turn.
Put the burger in.
No, it's Mommy's turn. Oh my gosh, I'm hungry. I want to eat. Can Mommy make me real food?
Yes, I'm gonna do you a real food.
But if I eat one food, I will get full.
You gonna be full?
Yeah, from when I eat one food. If I eat a big bird, I will get full.
So I'm gonna give you a juice then.
No,
You don't want juice? How about milk?
no,
No? So,
only burger.
whose turn is it?
Mommy's.
It's not my turn, it's yours.
Okay, well we finally got to put the hamburger in the microwave. It took us a really long time, but we finally got it in.
So, what do we put the hamburger, then the chicken, then wait, why not the bun?
Oh,
You ruined it.
the bun. I forgot the bun. Or the patty. The patty. I forgot the patty. Bye guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will be trying to put this hamburger in the microwave.
But it's popping like a bubble.
And we hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye guys.
Bye.